Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 280. So let's get on it. The first thing that you can do is to simply update the network driver. So an outdated network driver will cause issues when connecting to the internet. So this can cause many problems, including the Roblox error code 280. I advise you to update the network driver for the best multiplayer game experience. So here are the steps to do that. First, what you'll need to do is to click into your Windows icon and then type in Device Manager. And then after doing so, just click on it or open your Device Manager. And then after doing that, double click on your network adapters and then right click on your internet adapter and then select update driver. So next is just select search automatically for drivers and then just simply install the driver update, and then lastly is to restart your PC. So you can always pause this video and then follow the steps right here at your own pace. Next, what you can do is to reset the network settings. So regardless of your network driver, network settings are stored on your PC and help your PC connect to the internet via your network. When you experience network-related issues, I recommend you to reset these network settings. So these are the steps. First is to click on the Windows icon, type command prompt, and then open it. So type the following commands right here in separate lines and then hit enter after each one. Remember that you need to click enter after each one. And then after doing so and after entering or typing these commands right here, you can go ahead and restart your PC. And I hope that solves the problem. And then if that still didn't fix the problem, what you can do is to clear cache files. So what you can do, so Roblox stores cache files on your PC to launch and run smoothly. However, an issue with having cache files can cause the error 280 when you want to connect and play this game. So to solve this, what you can do is you can find and delete the Roblox cache file. So first, use the Windows key plus R shortcut to open the run dialog, and then type this right here, the percent local app data percent, and then hit on OK, and then use the control A. Just hit on control A shortcut to select all files in the folder, and then press the delete key to delete all the folders or to delete the files in the folder. And that is all for this video, and you can remember, you can always pause and go back into this video and then follow the processes at your own time. And I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.